Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Steam corrupted disk download. The corrupted disk error in Steam usually appears when Steam encounters a problem while downloading, updating, or installing game files. Although the message sounds alarming, it does not always mean that your hard drive or SSD is physically damaged. In many cases, the issue is caused by corrupted temporary download files, damaged library data, interrupted downloads, or file permission problems within Steam itself. Fortunately, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try before assuming there is a hardware failure. The first thing to check is Steam's temporary download folder. Open File Explorer and navigate to the Steam installation directory. For many users, Steam is installed under Program Files x86. Within the Steam folder, open Steam Apps. Inside this directory, you will find a folder named Downloading. This folder contains temporary files that Steam uses while downloading and installing games. Sometimes these temporary files become corrupted due to interrupted downloads, system crashes, or unexpected shutdowns. When that happens, Steam may repeatedly encounter errors while attempting to continue the installation. One troubleshooting method is to rename the downloading folder. By renaming it, you effectively force Steam to create a fresh download folder the next time it starts. This can help eliminate corrupted temporary files that may be triggering the error. After renaming the folder, restart Steam and test the download again. If the error persists, the next step is to clear Steam's download cache. Open Steam and click the Steam button in the upper left corner of the application. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then navigate to Downloads. Within the Download section, locate Clear Download Cache and click it. Steam stores temporary download information and server connection data in its cache. If this information becomes corrupted, it can interfere with downloads and installations. When you select Clear Download Cache, Steam will display a confirmation prompt. Click Confirm. Steam will restart automatically and rebuild its cache data. After signing back into Steam, try downloading or updating the game again. If the problem still occurs, the next area to investigate is the Steam library itself. Return to Steam Settings. Then open Storage. This section displays the drives and library folders used by Steam. Select the storage drive where the affected game is installed. Next, click the three dots menu associated with that drive. From the drop-down menu, select Repair Library. Steam will scan the selected library folder and attempt to repair problems related to permissions, missing files, folder configuration, and library integrity. Library issues are a common cause of corrupted download errors because Steam may be unable to correctly read or write files within the game installation directory. Allow the repair process to complete fully before testing the download again. It is important to understand that a corrupted disk message does not automatically mean the physical drive has failed. In many situations, the issue is caused by corrupted temporary download files, interrupted installations, damaged Steam cache data, library permission problems, incomplete game updates. Only after software-related fixes have failed should you begin investigating the possibility of actual drive problems. To summarize, fixing Steam's corrupted disk download error begins by opening the Steam installation directory, navigating to Steam Apps, and locating the downloading folder. Renaming this folder can help eliminate corrupted temporary download files. If the issue continues, open Steam, Settings, Downloads, and select Clear Download Cache. Then confirm the restart. Finally, go to Steam, Settings, Storage, select the affected drive, open the three-dot menu, and choose Repair Library. These steps address the most common software-related causes of the corrupted disk error and often restore normal downloading and installation functionality. And that's how to fix Steam's corrupted disk download error. By refreshing temporary download files, rebuilding Steam's download cache, and repairing the Steam library, you can resolve many instances of this error without reinstalling games or replacing storage hardware. In most cases, the problem is software-related and can be corrected with a few simple troubleshooting steps. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.